Okay, so we're going to be working on an 04 Nissan Sentra SER Spec V, and we're going to be installing fog lights today. So this is going to be fairly simple.
No, this isn't your dad's car.
So this should be pretty easy to do. So here we go. Okay, so this hole right there, that is where it's going to slip in. You're going to insert that there and then just turn it. And then once you get that in, that should be pretty much it. And then once you're done, there's this little lever. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see where it's at. That right there. With those little grooves, you're going to turn that. You need like a screwdriver or something, or a flathead would work best to just like turn it. I don't think my finger's turning it, but you know what I'm talking about. And that will lift and raise the light inside once you put it in there, so that way you can adjust it however you want. And then be very easy with these. Don't force them in. They should just slip right in. Alright, there we go. Beautiful. Slipped right in there. It's hard to see, but it's in. Right there. Nope.
Oh, it's Sophia. It's Sophia.
Okay, so once you're done with that, you're gonna take this, and usually you would have a different kind of bulb. You would have an actual real bulb instead of this one, and you would just plug these two up together, and that should be pretty much it. And then your fog light should be working again. And that is exactly how you replace your 04 Nissan Sentra SER Spec V fog lights.